Today I'm heading to an area known as the Otways in Victoria, and it's a place well known for its rainforest as well as many waterfalls. They're actually some of the best waterfalls in Australia, in my opinion. We've had a lot of rain recently, so the fall should be flowing really nicely. It's an area that I've been to many times over the years and in my childhood. But today I've got the Nikon Z6II with the 14-30 f4S lens, and I'll be doing a lot of 4K video, a bit of vlogging, and of course photography. The problem I'm having right now is that there's so much water that the mist is just hitting the lens non-stop. So I brought a wipe and I just have to keep wiping the lens. And when I'm not shooting, I'm turning the camera away from the waterfall. Because there was actually so much water coming down the waterfall, I actually couldn't maneuver too much around that area. I couldn't cross the creek, couldn't go too close to the waterfall. Luckily, I came away with the shot that I'm pretty happy with. Anyway, now a long walk back to the car. On to the next one. Oh, come on. This isn't fair. How do I get through this? So after an hour of what felt more like a tough mudder course than a bushwalk, I can hear the waterfalls up ahead. I think we're nearly there. Oh, that's cold. Oh. Ah. Guys, I can't get over how good this place is. This waterfall is absolutely epic. I've got it all to myself. We've got all these fallen trees here helping frame the waterfall. So I'm gonna try a landscape composition first, followed by portrait, and just walk around this area and change up the composition to see what works the best. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I had an absolutely incredible time exploring the Otways today. If you ever find yourself in Melbourne, Victoria, come check it out. It's only a couple of hours from Melbourne, and it's honestly one of my favorite places in the entire world. See you guys next time. Bye.